Hi there, students. Nirvana. Okay, Nirvana. An uncountable noun. Well, in English, we normally use this word nirvana to talk about the perfect situation, a state of ideal, complete happiness. Yeah, peace and no problems. So, what would nirvana be for me? No worrying about anything, no being frightened about anything, being happy about everything, enjoying myself the whole time. That would be nirvana. Yeah? Okay, so nirvana, a perfect ideal state. Yeah? A perfect situation. Something that's a perfect happiness, perfect stability, perfect harmony, and perfect joy altogether. Okay, although this word does come from both Buddhism and Hinduism, I think in Buddhism it's where your mind becomes so enlightened and you don't suffer anymore and you attain peace, and you then become one with the universe. And maybe your flame is blown out. I think in Hinduism it's a very similar idea, but your soul returns to Brahma, and all your spirits and desires are extinguished. So it's a perfect state, the highest spiritual state that you can achieve. But I think for many Europeans this is just a dream. So nirvana is a perfect place, a place of perfect peace. So lying in the field with looking up at the sky on this summer's afternoon was sheer nirvana. So notice, nirvana is an extreme. It was utter nirvana. It was completely perfect. And that's the idea of nirvana. Okay, so what would nirvana represent for you? I think there was a nice example I saw that many businessmen think that a world where there was no inflation and no changes in price would be nirvana, because then they could just maintain all their pricing the same and continue making their profits as always. But the world isn't like that, unfortunately. Okay, so nirvana, a perfect state, a state of perfect bliss, of perfect happiness. Formality. I would probably give it 5.5 in formality. Ever so slightly literary, but you could use it in an informal conversation without any problem. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Sanskrit, nirvana, meaning blown out or extinguished. You had to blow out a candle. From nis, meaning out, and va, meaning blow. So blown out. Okay, so but it's this idea of the candle being blown out, and you are in perfect harmony and have returned to Brahma. So nirvana, nirvana. What would nirvana be? It's probably so perfect we can't even imagine it. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nirvana.